On the buffet table, you'll find disposable Pyrex tubes, as well as powder A and powder B, appropriately labeled. Pyrex is a heat-resistant brand of glassware, and Kymax is a competing brand equally heat-resistant. Initially, you need to get a small scoop of powder A and a small scoop of powder B. Take a tube, label with the Sharpie that's available at the buffet table. Small scoop. It's about like that. A good Bunsen burner flame has an inner blue cone and a slight roar to it. To heat your test tube, use the test tube holder. Grip your test tube securely. Point the mouth of the tube toward the wall, not towards any human. Now I will bring the test tube into the fire. Notice I'm moving the tube so that I don't get a single hot spot. When you see this yellow-orange glow, that means the glass is getting very hot. So I'll just leave it in here for a few more seconds because I know from the glow that this tube got very hot. Now, if I took this very hot tube and I put it in a plastic rack, I would melt the plastic. So follow the instructions. Clean, dry beaker is a safe place to rest my hot tube. When you're heating a beaker, it is appropriate to use beaker tongs, not these crucible tongs. Make a secure grip on your beaker. Transfer like so. Initially, there will be 3 bottles of powder A and 3 bottles of powder B on this buffet table near the disposable tubes. But later on, you will need to weigh out the powders. So when that time comes, I expect you to pick up the jar, take it to a table that has a scale. Here's table 8, has a scale. Leave powder A next to the scale. At the end of the hour, look for this box. It says black tubes, trash. You will have some test tubes that are perfectly reusable and others that look like this that should be thrown away. That's what this box is for. For the reusable tubes, just clean them up and then put them upside down on your rack. When you get to unscripted separation attempts, it is possible for you to do the wrong thing because you're not sure what will happen. We want to avoid getting black beakers or black evaporating dishes here. You can warm a liquid in a beaker, that's fine, but you can't evaporate it to dryness. So if you want to evaporate to dryness, then take a small sample, just a milliliter, put it in a disposable test tube, and that you can cook to your heart's content. Cooking a liquid in the test tube is dangerous, so make sure that you're pointing the mouth of the tube away from all humans. And now you can see it is possible to cook this up, boil it up, and if the volume is small, then it should never go over the top. Kind of fun to do.